In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your appointment settings on Booksy Biz, whether you're putting a pause on new bookings or making some adjustments to your availability. I'll guide you through this simple process step by step. The first thing you need to do is log into Booksy Biz. If you prefer to use your mobile device, open the Booksy Biz app, which is available on both iOS and Android. Alternatively, you can access Booksy Biz using your web browser. Simply go to the Booksy Biz web and log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in and looking at your dashboard, what you'll need to do next is head over to Settings. On your dashboard, you'll find the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and give that a tap or click, depending on your device. This will take you into the area where you can manage various aspects of your business operations. Now that you're in the settings menu, we're going to locate the option called accepting appointments. Depending on the version you're using, you might find it under business settings or it might be labeled under booking settings. Don't worry if it takes a moment to spot. It's there, and it's an important part of managing how clients can interact with your booking system. Okay, now that you've found accepting appointments, you'll see a toggle next to it. You'll want to switch this toggle to the off position. Doing this will effectively stop new bookings from being made through your Booksy Biz profile. But don't worry, flipping this switch doesn't mean your profile disappears from the app. Your existing clients can still see your profile. They just won't be able to book any new appointments while this setting is turned off. Now, why might you want to turn off new bookings? Perhaps you're going on vacation, need some time to reorganize, or maybe you're simply at full capacity and want to ensure the appointments you currently have lined up are well managed before scheduling any more. Whatever your reason, turning off the accepting appointments feature is a handy option to have when you need to manage your schedule more effectively. And there you have it. With these easy to follow steps, you've successfully adjusted your booking settings. By knowing how to turn off new appointments, you gain a bit more control over your time, allowing you to pause and breathe when necessary. Remember, you're in charge of your schedule, and Booksy Biz provides you with the tools to keep everything running smoothly at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.